Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I have an APMEX package. But I'm not really happy with this, even before I've looked into it, because even though it's packed in a bubble mailer, which is fine, I don't mind cheap packaging as long as it leads to cheaper premiums. My issue with this exact packaging is the fact that it's still open on the inside here. You can see I can actually stick my finger right inside where the silver would be. Luckily the silver is on this side and not this side, but I'm going to show you how easy it is for me to get my silver out of this package without damaging the USPS seal or the package in general. So this is all real time. So I'm just going to keep folding it in quarters. So the silver's on this side. I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to put all of the silver down to the bottom right here. Just shake it up so it all falls down there. Then I'm going to fold it right there. Quarter. And then now all of the silver's here. So now I can just shake it down again. So now I've got all the silver from this side successfully to the back side of the package. I'm going to fold it one more time. Right? Shake it down. Now it's right near the seal on this side. So I just shake it out with the seal open. You can already see all the silver coming out. And just like that, I have an empty package besides the receipt. The receipt is still in here, but I won't need that if I'm stealing silver. Chuck that to the side, and I got a bunch of silver in my hand. And that's pretty much the video. I'm going to email APMEX about this. This isn't the first time this has happened, and this won't be the first email they got from me. But if you guys are seeing this from the APMEX packages, please let them know to change their policies, because you know, this might be one of the last orders I fulfill with APMEX anyway. All right, I'm Southside Stacker. See you all in the next one.